Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X95 and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started you want to hold your power key and when you see your boot options hold power off. After a moment you will get this pop-up, reboot to safe mode, so we're going to confirm by tapping on OK and this will initiate a reboot, and once the device boots back up it will automatically be in the safe mode. And as you can see now that the device is back on, we have a little safe mode watermarking right here. And in here, if you have any applications installed, they will be temporarily disabled while you're in this mode, so you can troubleshoot your device. Once you're done troubleshooting your device, you can go back to normal mode by holding the power key once again and then simply selecting a restart. The device will boot back up and at that point it will go back to normal mode. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.